In this video, I will be showing you how to use ChatGPT AI in Microsoft Excel. So this is the official way recently launched by OpenAI to use ChatGPT for both Excel as well as Google Sheets. So let's get started. For this, just search for ChatGPT spreadsheet. We'll be having the official link from chatgpt.com. Just open it. We will be taken to ChatGPT apps spreadsheets. Here, if you just scroll down, we'll be having a way to get ChatGPT for Excel, and we just need to follow these steps. And below that, we'll be having ChatGPT for Google Sheets also. If you want to watch the entire tutorial how to use ChatGPT in Google Sheets, just click on the card that is appearing on top. I've done an entire tutorial on that. Now let's carry on with Excel. So first step is just open Excel. We need to go to Home and Add-ins. So here I'm having my Excel opened. Here we are having Home. To the rightmost corner, we'll be having this Add-ins. Click that. Just search for ChatGPT over here. We'll be having this one. Click it. And here it says ChatGPT from OpenAI LLC. To confirm if this is the official one, just go to the same site and click on this ChatGPT for Excel from OpenAI LLC, and this is also from the same OpenAI LLC. So just click on Add, click on Continue. After we add it, we'll be having this ChatGPT icon over here. Click that, and we'll be getting the chat interface like this. Here we need to click on Continue with ChatGPT and sign in with our ChatGPT account. And make sure that you are signing in over here. After we sign in, we'll be taken to a chat interface like this, quite similar to the real ChatGPT interface itself. And in case if you aren't getting this screen even after signing up, make sure that you are restarting your Excel. So here there are a couple of things that are going on. One is the type of model, and another one is the sheet that we are referencing for context. So for the model types, we are having fast, standard, and heavy. Fast is for quick responses and simple task. Standard is for balanced one, and heavy is like a much more complex task. That is fine. And now let's suppose say you are having a Excel with multiple sheets. Okay, in that case you need to let ChatGPT know which particular sheet are we referring to, because each sheet is going to have its own set of information. So for that, just type the @ symbol, and in my case I'm having 3 sheets. So by this way we can reference the sheet that we are wanting to change. Through this way we can add data, edit the existing data, and even ask questions from the entire data. So for this demo, I will just ask ChatGPT to add some mock data. I have asked ChatGPT to add data with 3 columns of employees, salary ranging from 10,000 to 50,000. This particular data has been automatically added, and if you want to specify a exact number of rows, you can also do that. And apart from that, if you click this plus icon, we'll be having the upload files option. In case if you want to refer any other file and get the context, you can do that. You're having some skills, you can just go through it. And now for the final thing, I will just ask a question based upon the data here. If you want new chat, you can simply click this one. So I'm going with a question, give the person name with the least salary, and it has got it spot on. That's a video, guys. I hope you'd have liked it. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.